Welcome to Imperial CAD system. In this video, I will explain how to create hexagonal headed bolt on Catia V5. I create M20 or M24. First, select plane. I select this plane, ZX plane. Go to sketch. Take a circle. Apply dimension. I enter 20 mm, 20 dia, a bolt with a length of some 100 mm, M20 dia bolt with 100 mm length. I select sketch, select this plane, I slightly increase this to 24 with the length around 120 mm, M24 with length 120 mm. I select this plane, I go to sketch, I create a circle, and this size I give 26. Pad, reverse direction, I just give 2 mm or 3 mm thickness. I change this to 28. Okay. Now I go to sketch. Select on this surface. Now in rectangle, you can see the option hexagon. I select that option. And I give dimension of around 21. It is I give 15 or 16. So that length becomes 32. Then I pad this to 10 or 12 mm. Then now we need to create a thread on the cylindrical surface. To create thread, go to surfacing, shape, generative shape design. Select this option, helix, starting point, right click on that, select create point, go for OK, and axis direction, right click, Z direction, not Z, Y direction, reverse, and it is around 120 mm length. I give the height the thread should not be up to end. I give the thread height 50 or 60 mm, preview, and I increase the pitch. So helix is formed on that surface. I gave 4 mm pitch. Now you can see helix formed on that surface, cylindrical surface. So I want to create a thread up to 60 mm distance. from bottom. Now I select plane. I keep this option normal to curve. I select this curve now. At this point I want plane, then go for OK. I select this plane, I go to sketch, then I take a triangle, and the length of this horizontal line, it is 3.4. I give some 3.5. From here, right click, horizontal measure direction, 1.75, it keeps middle. Then this one also, okay. This is nothing but depth of that thread, vertical dimension. Just I give 2 mm. Let me check with this angle from here to here, 45 degrees. From this point to this point, right click, horizontal measure direction. I make this 0. So symmetrically it will be at the center. See, I exit this. So depth is some 2 mm. Then the threaded dia will be this side 2 mm, that side 2 mm, 20 mm. I minimize this. Then go to part design. Now use command slot. Select profile, this triangular profile, and in the place of center curve, I select this option, reference surface, and do select on this cylindrical surface. Then you can see the threads uniformly formed on that surface. I minimize this. Now I reduce this pitch. Double click on helix. I change this to 3 mm. Go for OK. I close this. See here. You can see thread nearby. Then on this head, see, I select this plane. I apply chamfer on the top surface of this hexagonal head. For that, to apply chamfer, so what we need to do is, I select this plane, I go to sketch, not this plane, we need to select this plane. This is the plane we need to select to create chamfer. XY plane, I exit this one, I select XY plane, I go to sketch. So what I do now is, I create a profile here, a closed profile which is of a triangular shape. Constraint coincidence coincide with this edge. Right click, coincidence, coincidence, and give angle. This angle should be 30 degrees, and this length I give some 4 mm is enough. See, I took profile like this. The profile should be at this end, this sharp end. See, like this. Now exit sketch. It is not updated. Again double click on that sketch. Make this 4 mm. Then exit. Now go for groove option here. Groove. Select this profile and axis, this axis, Z axis. Now go for OK. So like this we get a smooth edge on the hexagonal edge. So this is a hexagonal headed bolt with a 45 degrees thread with some pitch around 4 mm, 3 mm like that, and the thread depth is 60 mm and the bolt length is 120 mm. To apply material, I hide this plane. I want to apply a material, so I'm hiding these planes. See, go for here, apply material option, metal. I select this metal. I select this part so that it has been selected. See, there are different metal names. I select this iron and I go for apply material. The material which we applied will not be seen on this mode. We have to change display mode to here, shading with material. Then you can see the material is applied like this. See here iron. If you don't want to keep material, just right click and delete. Again, to apply some other material, go for apply material, metal. I select copper bolt. Select this part, then go for apply material. OK. So copper material is applied. So like this is the process to create a fastener hexagonal bolt on Catia V5. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, share and subscribe Imperial CAD System.